Welcome back to another episode of Modaufy Garage. I'm Alex, and on today's episode we're back on this 2006 Ford Focus LS, and what we're doing today, we're changing the struts on the boot. The reason I'm changing the struts on this Ford Focus is because I'll just show you here. You can see how heavy the boot is. I'm using all my weight to help lift it up. As soon as I let it go, the boot falls again. This is a common thing with age, so let's get to replacing. To get this job started, what I'm going to have to do is lift the boot first. So for safety reasons, I'm going to get a piece of timber and just with a cloth on top of it to protect the paint, I'm going to lift the boot with two hands because I'm going to need it. Just find a resting spot for the timber. Just give it a bit of a jiggle, make sure it's safe, and then we'll get onto the struts. The boot's all secure now, so this is one of the struts on the on the left-hand side of the car, so anyone can do this at home. I'm just taking a small flathead screwdriver. There's like a metal band here. And there's a spot for the flathead, so I just put it in there, lift it up, and the strut pops out like that. All right, so I've taken the first one off, and you can see as soon as I took it off, you can look how much movement. This strut has seen better days. So again, like what I did here, just put your screwdriver underneath, find a spot, take the clip off, and everything should just pop straight out. There we go, like that. And you can see, look at this, there's just nothing there. This strut has definitely seen better days. So let's put a new one on. So I've got my new strut, and what I'm going to do is make sure these holes are in the correct pointing directions first. So these are at opposite ends on the other side. So all I need to do is put that one in there and it clips. So I've got to lift the boot higher because I can't press these in. So what I'll go and do, I'll go and remove the strut from the other side, and then I can go and clip them in as I go. This is still a good one. Put that maybe aside for a spare. Again, just lining up the holes. Done. Okay. I've got both struts in at the bottom, so because I can't push them in, what I'm going to have to do is lift the hatchback boot lid as far as I can, just so I can clip both sides in. So I'll just put the timber down, lift this up, grab this, clipped in, that one's clipped in. Perfect. I'll just put this to the side. And it's got a lot of spring in it now. Perfect. Look at this. Look at this. Perfect. And that's all there is to it. So what I noticed is the right-hand side spring, or gas strut, sorry. The right-hand side gas strut, it's actually still in good working order, but the other one is done. Two new ones. It's cost effective. Anybody can do it at home with a flathead screwdriver. So if your boot has lost its spring, give it a go. Okay, the boot's all back together now. Everything's working the way it should. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more content from Modaufy Garage, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.